Have just bought an email list and you do not know the source, chances are you're going to hit a spam trap. So, what are spam traps and how can you avoid them and what are their impacts? One of the reasons as to why your emails are not being delivered is possibly you've hit a spam trap. So, a spam trap are emails that are created by anti spam agencies such that they are able to trap the people who are scraping emails online. And one of the reasons why I do not recommend people scraping emails from just any site is because of these spam traps. Because once you hit one, then your emails are not going to be delivered or they will always be landing in junk. There are usually two types of spam traps. The first one is called a a spam trap. Sorry, these are emails that are created specifically to tap into the people who are scraping emails. They are hidden in websites, and whenever you use that email to you send out an email to that email, it is automatically a spam trap, and your sender will automatically be blacklisted because it was purely put there for the purposes of ensuring that whoever is going to use it will be identified as sending spam and their sender will be blacklisted. That is the first category. The second category is what we call recycled spam traps. These are emails that were initially in use, but they are no longer being used. So these agencies start using these emails as a way of tapping people who are just scraping emails from anywhere. For instance, if an email address has stayed for quite a long period of time and the anti-spam agencies have access to it, then they can be using it to trap the people who are sending maybe cold emails. So, what should you do to avoid spam traps? I know that is the biggest question. The first thing that you should do is always ensure that you clean your email list. Every time you get an email list from wherever, always ensure that you have verified. And over time, a list gets old. So it does not mean that you had an email list that you cleaned last year, that it's going to be clean this year. You should always ensure you clean your email list after every 6 months as the minimum amount of time. Now and then, keep on cleaning your emails and remove the emails that are no longer active. The second thing that you need to do is when you're getting emails, I know most of the people in these channels are curious about cold emails. I do not recommend buying email list from wherever and whenever because you do not know the source. For instance, if you just went scraped emails in Google, just from the browser, any email address that is available online, you're going to hit a lot of spam traps. If you have to get an email list, get it from specific websites that are highly active. For instance, get emails from a place like LinkedIn, Twitter, for instance, places that people are highly engaging in. At least those ones you'll ensure that you have a good email list, or any other website that has authority in a specific field of your target, because most of the anti-spam agencies, they can't come and put those emails in a specific website that is already doing specific business, but they have They will put these email addresses in funny places, in funny websites, so that they can be able to trap you if you just go and scrape for each and every email that is available online. So that is it about the spam traps. And don't forget to always clean your emails. And we're going to provide you with one of the best email verifiers that is super effective in terms of output and also cost. One of the most cost effective but very powerful. I'm going to leave a link in the description. And also, currently, we're running an offer whereby we are going to create an email marketing system for you absolutely for free once you buy a VPS with us. So you have no excuse for not starting email marketing campaign as early as yesterday. Thank you for being with us. That's all I have for you for today. See you on the next one. In case of anything, I'm always available for you. Always reach out in our social media accounts, links in the description as well, and we'll be more than ready to help you in your journey of getting more clients. It's goodbye for now.